Alright, so it's Taz right here. It's Dominique. Dominique, say what's up.
Hey, what's good?
This is video footage of why you're gay.
Oh,
for real? On Facebook.
Fuck you.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ, I have video footage.
Oh, hell.
Why do you think I was taking pictures?
Are you kidding me?
Alright, let's see what you're looking at, dog.
I'm deleting your shit.
Malia, what was you looking at?
A man with his shirt on.
Nah. Yo, you've officially been exposed.
Even though you asked me.
You've been exposed.
Fuck you.
I got it. Footage. Report live.
I fucked up. Oh, I'm gonna get your ass.
Yeah.
Video now?
Damn, man, that's going on. That's going on World Star.
Let's watch the video now.
For real?
This dude got caught.
Look it. Put it on Facebook.
Kill you.
Facebook.
I will kill you.
God, see it.
Yo, you got caught.
I will.
Hey, come out. Hey, yo, this no homo, but right now you look like Derrick Rose.
Get that fucking light out. I'm a fucking eye.
Does he look like Derrick Rose a little bit?
I don't know who that is.
Like the gay version? He's a basketball player.
He looks like Tupac.
There, yo, I caught Derrick Rose looking at some dude on Facebook. Let's see.
Taz, let me see it.
Fuck you. Yo, it's over. You saw that, right?
Yeah,
Witness. Damn, dog. Dominique, man. I mean, Derrick Rose. Dog, I ain't know it. I didn't know it was like that.